In front of me is Honor 600 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. By launching Recorder app that's already on your Honor and tapping on those three dots at the top right corner. Then choose Recording Quality to tap on one of those, or Settings to tap on Enhanced Services, and tap on the switches next to the chosen ones to manage them. Either way, when you're ready, go back and use this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. Now, to pause it or unpause it, use this button at the bottom right corner. To enable or disable voice enhancement, use this icon at the top right corner. To add a bookmark, click this one at the bottom left one. If you wish, you can tap on tags here to see all of them. You can choose Transcribe, hit Agree, then pick your language and choose OK, or tap on Translate, tap on one of those, and then hit OK. After you're ready, you can tap on Show Text to hide it or show it. Then to end your recording, use this button in the middle. Now you can play it by clicking on it, but also here you can adjust it. You can tap on Transcribe or Show Text I showed before, and obviously tags. You can also add tags while listening.
As you can see, recording.
You can choose Generate Summary and pick one of those many options. And tap on those two sliders to adjust playback speed, skip silences, and even select Edit if you want to trim your recording. When you're ready, click on this icon of a checkmark at the top right corner. Like that. Now, you can also hold your recording and manage all of those options here, like delete. And don't forget to click on it and use those three dots at the top right corner as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!